Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, the place where horsepower meets heritage. Today, we're diving into a ride that has made a thunderous return, the 2026 Dodge Coronet RT. Yes, you heard it right. Dodge has revived this legendary muscle car with a modern twist that's leaving gearheads around the world speechless. The Coronet RT is back, and it's bolder, meaner, and more powerful than ever before. Let's start with what's under the hood, because that's where the real story begins. The 2026 Coronet RT is packing a 6.4L Hemi V8, producing a jaw-dropping 505 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. This beast doesn't just growl, it roars, and it rockets from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. Dodge didn't just aim to bring back a classic name, they engineered a full-blown modern-day muscle monster. Whether you're at the track or cruising downtown, the Coronet delivers raw American power in its purest form. Now, let's talk design. The new Coronet RT stays true to its heritage with retro-inspired cues like the long hood, short deck, and aggressive grille. But it's not just a trip down memory lane. Dodge fused these elements with a futuristic edge, LED lighting, a more aerodynamic stance, and 20-inch forged alloy wheels that demand attention. The sculpted lines and wide body give the car a planted, intimidating look, just like the old-school legends. Inside, Dodge has struck a perfect balance between nostalgia and technology. The interior greets you with retro-inspired gauges and premium leather bucket seats embroidered with the RT logo. At the same time, you get all the modern essentials: a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, Uconnect 6.0 touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, and a thundering 18-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. It's a true driver's cockpit with a nostalgic soul. When it comes to handling, the Coronet RT doesn't disappoint. Thanks to Dodge's new performance-tuned suspension and active dampers, this muscle car grips the road like a modern sports car. Brembo brakes provide reliable stopping power, and multiple drive modes allow you to adjust the ride feel, from comfort cruising to full sport fury. You also get launch control, track mode, and even a drift mode for the brave-hearted. It's not just built to go fast, it's built to conquer curves and corners too. What's more exciting is that Dodge is offering customization like never before. Whether it's factory matte paint finishes, carbon fiber accents, or wide-body kits, you can build the Coronet RT to match your style. There's even a limited, Heritage Edition, that features 70s-inspired stripes and badges that pay tribute to the original muscle era. So who is this car for? If you're someone who dreams in V8, bleeds retro muscle, but doesn't want to compromise on modern features, the 2026 Dodge Coronet RT is your dream on wheels. It's not just a comeback, it's a statement that muscle cars are alive and thriving in the electric era. And that's a wrap for today's review. If this legendary beast gave you chills, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Would you take this over a Challenger or Charger? And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more insane car content, classic revivals, and the latest auto news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride.